Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am unboxing something today I ordered online. I'm excited to open it because I've never seen it in person. I've never ordered a card purse before either. So I've done my research from a lot of a lot of the YouTubers on here. So thank you guys for those type of videos. I've made my decision. I purchased this Gucci one and I want to unbox it today for you guys. I haven't seen a lot of this version on YouTube. A lot of them are the older ones I've seen, which I kind of liked a bit better, but this one, I'll show you the difference. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm gonna be putting out more videos again. This channel has been my personal channel for a very long time. I've done a lot of vlogs on my other channel with my kids and family. So we also have a mukbang channel, but this channel is just strictly luxe items, I don't know, purchases that I've made, not necessarily always luxury only, but just things that I'm going to review, or, you know, just my personal things more. Makeup, whatever. So I'm kind of getting back into it. 2019 is a new year for me. I've set some goals for myself. I would love to have you guys subscribe. Yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so here it is, the box. They have the information code on the side, so I'll just show you guys that. I'm just gonna open it right now. I have never seen this in person, guys. I'm kind of excited to see it. I really like the print online. I love how the color pops. I've seen it in YouTube videos and I just love the way it looks. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here's the dust bag it comes in. There she is, guys. Okay, so in the dust bag, there's like 2 layers. I'm not sure exactly why. Maybe there's a reason why they have another cotton layer inside. But yeah, the fabric's just very smooth. Not like the Louis Vuitton. The Louis Vuitton has more of what is it? A more, not velvety, but more suede-y type feel. So there's the dust bag for that. I'll just leave it here in the shop for you guys to see. So here she is. The flowers look like they're screen printed on. I believe they are screen printed, but I just love this. It's so beautiful. Like, I decided to go with this one, a canvas over a leather one. Not sure why there's just a little bit of a bubble up of the glaze here. So, but I don't think that bothers me too much. I think it's okay. But yeah, so let's just open her up. Oh, I was looking at the back, guys. Okay, so let's open her up. Just take this out because I don't need it. But I'm really happy that they have like a cash slot, because online they don't show it, and so I was kind of like iffy about buying this one over another version, which is the Marmont one. And yeah, I'm happy to say that they do have that slot. Online it says there's an interior pocket or something like that. No, I'll have to check it again online, but I don't remember them saying that there was this, but they don't show it, you know what I mean, in the pictures that they have. But when I saw that they had this piece here like this, I figured it's possible, but I was going to purchase it anyways because I like this one over the other one. So yes, it does have the inside pocket here for cash, guys. And the difference between the older model and this one is the zipper. The new one has a zipper compartment, whereas the old one, it just had, it was just an opening. So I like that it has a zipper compartment because, you know, you can put coins in there, or just like make sure you put whatever you want in there securely, you know what I mean? Okay, so here is their Gucci, I don't know, Gucci, all those papers that you get normally with them. So this one is Gucci responsibility card. I'm not going to go into that. I'm sure you guys have seen them before. That's garbage. And then there's this, another one. Why do I have 2 of these? Okay, why do I have 2 of these? Someone's giving me 2. I don't know why. Okay, I love the way it looks. I think it's so pretty. I don't think I'll ever get tired of this. I think it's a classic piece to me. I like the Gucci logo around it, like the print in the background. The flowers, I think all of them are the same. Some of the Gucci, the Louis Vuitton bags in the past when they had these patterns, you know, like there's this one style where they had the flowers on it, but each bag was different because they were just cut differently. But I noticed with these ones, they are all the same. Like it's just, that's how it's printed. Each card holder will come the exact same flower in the front, right? So just looking at, just making sure there's no like flaws or anything like that. Yeah. Oh, it smells like leather. So yeah, so you have another compartment here, your zipper, and then 2 card holders here, slots, and then